Maya, can you show people how you're sitting up all by yourself? Maya. Oh, what's that? Is that your teddy bear? Maya. Does the teddy bear want to use the laptop now? Oh, ocho. We're going to eat our laptop now. You're trapping the teddy bear. No! He's trapped in the laptop. Maya. Hey, baby. Baby girl.
Hello, bye-bye. Adios. Open. Abierto.
Abierto. Maya.
Closed.
Cerrado.
9.
9. Okay.